Think of any kind of intimate act, you will find that it is based on the perception of the environment. And that environment includes, of course, two engaging partners. One could be human, another could be your love robot. And in that case, a fusion strategy in robotics is important, extremely important and crucial. It is a method of intelligently combining data from multiple sensors to create a single, more accurate and robust perception of the world or a user's state of mind. Because you cannot ignore your partner's state of mind while doing some intimate acts. Before we proceed, let me tell you one thing. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And if you have already subscribed, tons of thanks for your support. It is extremely important. Extremely important. First of all, consent. There is consent. There is other things also, other emotional state of mind, other emotions, and you need to understand those things properly, and you have to uh, adjust yourself accordingly. Now, how does a robot adjust itself in such a complex process with such a complex process? Because it overcomes the limitations of any single sensor by integrating diverse data streams. One sensor cannot handle everything. That is why they have hundreds and thousands of, even millions of sensors throughout the whole body. Because inferring a user's state of mind, this strategy involves algorithms that learn to correlate patterns across different modalities. For instance, it can learn that a slight frown, vision, a lower vocal tone or pitch, that is audio, and minimal gestures, that is kinesthetics, collectively signify concentration, even if each signal is individually ambiguous. Because human is practically very ambiguous animal, and we mostly suffer from ambiguity. We don't know exactly what is going on around us. We don't know, and we try to understand. We sometimes fail, we sometimes succeed, but at the end of the day we are very, very vulnerable, and we that is why we are very messy, unpredictable. Human relationship doesn't work. However, this technology, this fusion strategy technology, is fundamental to not only humanoid robots but also to many other applications such as autonomous vehicles, collaborative manufacturing robots, or we call it cobots, and assistive healthcare devices also. From a hardware perspective, it relies on different sets of sensors such as cameras, LiDAR, microphones, IMUs, working in unison. The software layer often involves middleware like ROS, robot operating system, to manage and synchronize these data streams in real time. At its core, the algorithm is the fusion engine itself, using techniques like Kalman filters or Bayesian networks or specialized neural network layers to weigh the input from each sensor and produce a unified, coherent understanding for decision making. But because after all, decision making is the last thing that is really we need to think about, because uh, a lab robot should decide what to do and what not to do with their human partner. So that is it. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Let's continue this conversation in the comments below. If you like the video, please hit the bell icon to get notified, and don't forget to like with your friends, share, and subscribe for more insights. If you have already subscribed, tons of thanks for your support. It means a lot to me. And please consider signing up for membership zone to support Wooden Slate so that we can make it better and better. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care and stay safe.